Ayun.
Okay. Start na. Team Dan versus Team Kenneth. Para sa ating third game. Tapos Team Kenneth versus Team Pat. Mamaya. Good ball. Good ball. Benson. Tunik. Short number no good. Primo by Sa.
Rekta may sa ba kami?
Oo.
Minus na kami ngayon.
Oo. 9:30 pa lang eh. Or sana pagtaas ng pangatlong laro nyo, ano na yun, semis.
Ano ba? Wala pa.
Oo, tapos finals.
Aga pa yun, no?
Aga pa, 9:30 pa lang.
Yun, alam mo.
9:30.
Out of bounds. Good ball.
Good.
Good. So good. Pagkatapos ng laro nila, Boss Pat, semis na, semis.
Nilaro pa rin. Dapat lang naman.
Crossover by Maneo to Chan. Chan. Big move to Zach. No good. Dribble by William. Uyat to Benson. Benson 2 points. 2-0. In favor of Team Dan.
Galing mo pare, galing mo mag-camera.
2 points. Zach Wilson.
Makukuha mo lahat tayo live. Makukuha niya lahat tayo.
Tunik sa ilalim. 2 points. Nick.
Salo-salo lahat.
4-2. Steal by Dan. Now on si Jake. Jake. 2 points. Jake. 6-2. In favor of Team Dan. Franco. Steal by Kuya David. To Benson. Steal by Justine. Olgesan. 2 points. Raymond. Olgesan. Steal by Franco. To Lormat. 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 Well, thank you. Lormat, bakit ba kaya to Benson. To Dan sa ilalim. 2 points. Dan. Peña Flor. 8-4. 4.8 by Team Dan. Manuel taking green nugget. Primo by Zach. Sa ilalim. Pass to Polkesan. Raymond. Polkesan. Dan. Dan. Kumaliwa kanan. 2 points. Dan. Peña Flor. 10-6. Crossover ni Franco. Franco. 2. Polkesan na naman. Back-to-back hits by Raymond. Polkesan. 10-8. Wow! 2 points down. Peña Flor. Bata-bata. 12-8. Babalik si Polkesan. Nakukuha ng green team. 2 points. Raymond Polkesan. 12-10. Dalawa na lang lamang. Babalik si Benson. Good D by Chan. Chan. Pass to Franco. 18 seconds to shoot. 6 minutes and 13. Franco pa rin. Wow. Wow, by jersey number 0, Nick. 6 minutes and 5. 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds. To Chan. Chan. Steal by Benson. To Jake. Jake. Ang gandang depensa naman ni Polkestad. Polkestad pa rin. Grabe. Polkestad. What a move, Polkestad. Di makawala. Wow, second year na makawala. Walang paraan! On 12, pero binawi sa kabila. 14-12. Franco. Franco. 5 minutes and 24 seconds. Franco. Franco pa rin ang block by Kuya Dick. To Peñaflor. Peñaflor. Steal by Sa. Sa ginamit na lang steal by Nick. Nick. Last possession number 8. Cage court na po. Cage court. Cage court. Score 16-12. 4.8 by Team Dan. 16-12.
Sikat ko mo. Post lang. Yun.
Norman Ibig sa 3. No good. Rebound by Nick. No good. Rebound by Kuya Dick. 2 points. Dick. 18-12 in favor of Team. Steal by Nick. Kuya Dick. 2 points. No good. Two points. Down. Play the floor. 20-12. No good. No good pa rin. No good. Rebound by Manejo. To Chan. Last 3 minutes. Wow. Next yan, semis na pala, semis. Next, semis na, semis. Semis na, next.
Naman ha!
Three. 20-15.
Grabe ka naman.
2 points. Nick.
No, tropa.
Raymond to Chan. No good. Rebound by Dan. Nauna na si Jack.
Yun.
2 points. Jack. 24-15. No good.
Nakita mo yung mukha mo dyan, eh. Punta ka sa harap.
No good again. Nakakuha ni kay Jack. 2 minutes and 32 seconds. Ang ganda pasa naman nun. Wala. Rebound by Franco.
Ayun lang, Franco.
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 Franco pa rin.
Franco, friend.
Player ng Emeritus. May kulay ang buhok.
Sige pa. Ay, hindi ka na. Yung...
No good.
Wala pare, wala. Bilang.
2 points. Jack. Last 2 minutes. Three. Down. Peñaflor. Franco. No good pa rin. Di mo masyad no good. Di mo ba? Kuya David. Two points. Down. Peñaflor. Manejo. Wala. Bomba. 30-15. Pineapple again. No good. Tip in. 2 points. Benson. Last 1 minute. Wala pa rin. 2 points. Manleo.
Demi sugat lo.
2 points. Benson. 36-17.
Wala pa.
Last 20 seconds.
Demi kayo. Ayun.
10 seconds left. End of the ball game. Semis na po tayo. Pahinga po kayo, both teams. Kayo pa rin magkalaban sa susunod sa semis.